How to set up automated responses in Facebook Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you how to do so using Meta Business Suite. So let's just get started. For that, obviously you should be having the professional account. For that, if you do not have a professional account, just switch over, and once it is completed, you can head over to Meta Business Suite, which is business.facebook.com here. Now, in order to set up automated messages, on your left hand side, once you are logged in, you will be finding a menu on your screen. So look out for the inbox option from the menu, click on it, and it will open up this box right here where you will be finding all of your messages and everything. Now, in order to set up automations, you will be directly finding an option called automations here. So go ahead and find it up and click on it. And when you do, you will be finding different options where you can set up automation. So here, let's try with instant replies. So click on try it. And when you do, it will give you option to do so. So in order to add it up, you can turn it on. You can look out for this turn on option. And once that is done, you can select where you would like to use this automation. For example, Messenger. So click on Messenger, confirm it, and here you can just go ahead and edit the message if you prefer. I'm leaving it as it is, but you can customize the message that you would like to have as an automatic message. You can even add an emoji or personalize your message. Once it is done, you can add up an image or video file as well and a button as well. Just go ahead and do so. After it is done, you can just go ahead and click on Save Changes. And when you do, the changes will be saved. And when you go to Messenger, it will show you what will be happening on your Messenger. So if you'd also like to go ahead and set up automated messages on Messenger, you may follow up this method. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.